As you can see, I have removed the metal covering. Okay. I will remove the black box. The black box is basically just sitting on top of the super tubing structure. This tubing structure of the Megawheels S10 ProX and S10 scooters is super durable, and it's almost impossible to break unless you run it over with a big truck. Okay? It's all metal. And this tubing structure is also one of the secrets of the suspension of this scooter. As we all know, metal tube is not rigid. It bends when there's pressure on this structure. That is why Megawheels S10 ProX is one of the best comfortable riding scooters out there in the market today because of this tubing design. Because this thing doesn't, it's not rigid. It bends when there's pressure on this thing. But it's super strong and it's almost indestructible compared to other scooters. Okay. As we can see, the metal black box, which is sitting on top of the tubing design, has two holes on the right side when you're riding the scooter. Okay, there are two holes. That's where all the cable to your motor and to your throttle goes or runs through. So we need to insert the two cables, the central cable connecting to the controller and the internal battery cable through these two holes. Okay? You just carefully get a screwdriver and make the rubber cover to the hole a lot bigger to fit the two extra cable inside. Okay? This is what I'll do right now.